Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for ReAnimal on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Now go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Next, you'll need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see App Data, click on the View tab at the top, select Show, and then click on Hidden Items to make it visible. Once App Data appears, open it. Now go into the local folder. Scroll down and find the folder named Everhome and open it. Inside that folder, go into the Saved folder. Then open Save Games. Now open the folder with the long number. This is where all your ReAnimal save game files are stored. Now go back to the Saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Then open the Windows folder. Double-click on Game User Settings. This file contains your game configuration settings, including graphics options and other preferences. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both the save files and the config file for ReAnimal on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.